Welcome guys, welcome to this video. So in last video we saw how we can print something like hello world on the screen using PHP. So we just created a file and I just added this and it printed that. But we need to see how exactly and how properly we can start using PHP. So if I remove everything here currently and I say here HTML, so I believe you're familiar with HTML and CSS already. So in HTML you have the body content something like this. In title we say it's a project. Now we want to do something, then we can add it inside the body. So make it a little bigger so that it's easy to view. So the way we use PHP is basically whenever you be using HTML and you want to work with PHP, you're simply going to put the PHP inside your body tags. So we have here our body starting and body ending here, so we are going to put here inside. So whatever operation you want to do, you will be doing here. So you refresh. Just the thing is, sorry, my servers were down. I just started them again, and it is important that you have your local server up all the time. So here we have it. Now we can do anything with PHP when it comes to data manipulation in the application. Now for example, currently I'm just printing here a string. You might want to deal with some kind of number, or you want to say let's 20 plus 2 into 2, maybe something like that, and you want to see, or it's some kind of output. So when you refresh you get the number output. So currently I'm just putting numbers here just to demonstrate like how you can use it. So maybe you have here saying data, maybe like p tag, and in p tag you want to include your output. Then you will cover the p tag, and inside p tag you're going to put PHP, and your PHP going to display something like this. Brush, yeah, get it something like this. If you have here number, so it's going to look something like that. Now you can use another function instead of echo. You can use print if you want to, and you can use print as well. It does the same job. You can see I'm refreshing, it's still there. So this is something that it's up to you. There's no big difference in echo and print. Usually people prefer echo because it's one letter less, and mostly you use this way. So this is how you include PHP in your HTML. And